Good morning, student. Today we are going to teach you chapter number 12 in science. What is in the space? Filling the blanks with the correct words. Here in some pictures and the filling the blanks. See the picture and fill the filling the blanks. Number 1, the sun is shining brightly today. Here in a picture of sun shining. The moon is looking like a big round ball. Here in a picture of a moon that is look like a big round ball. The stars are twinkling in the sky. Here in a many stars twinkling in the sky. Student, you know in the night we have seen the sky. Many stars are twinkling on the sky. So the stars are twinkling in the sky. When we think of space, we think of sun, moon and stars. Let us read about them. Remember that the space is so vast and big that we cannot just imagine that. You can get an idea of this by the feeding how much time we need to reach Mars from Earth at 1000 kilometers per hour speeds. Student, today we are going to learn about sun. The sun is a huge ball of hot burning gases. It is much bigger in size than Earth. It appears the small because it is very far away from the Earth. The sun is provide us light and heat. The Earth is at the just right distance from the sun. Had there been no sun, there would have been no planets, no plants and animals on the Earth. And here in a picture of the sun and Earth. The sun rises in the east in the morning and set in the west in the evening. The rising of the sun is called sunrise, and the setting sun of the sun is called sunset. It becomes dark after sunset. The sun seems to change its position in the sky. However, it is not the sun that actually moves across the sky. It is the earth that rotates around its axis like a spring top due to the earth's rotations. Half of the earth always face the sun and it is the day there, and the other half of the earth is in the dark and it is night in the part of the earth. Turn your page. Come to the next page, page number 126. And now we are going to learn about moon. The moon is our nearest neighbor in space. The moon has no light of its own. We see it because of the sunlight falling on it. The moon revolves around the earth. Have you noticed that the moon seems to change its shapes every night? Look at the different shapes of the moon so below. Here in a picture of the moons are different shapes of the moons. Full moons, half moons, and this change all picture is change. And then now we are going to learn about stars. So student, when you look at the sky at the night, you see many twinkling stars like sun. Stars are also a ball of hot burning gases. Hence, they have a light of their own. They are far away from the earth. They are so far away that they appear like tiny dots. Some groups of stars seems to form patterns of shapes in the sky. These patterns and the shapes are called constellations. Some of the constellations are the Great Bears, Hunter and Leo. And now we are going to learn about the planets. Other planets, the sun and the moon, there are some other objects in the space also. They look like stars but do not twinkling like stars. These are the planets. And there are 8 planets altogether. How many planets? There are 8 planets altogether. They do not have a light of their own. These planets revolve around the sun in fixed orbits. And turn your page number 128. The sun and its 8 planets makes a solar system. The sun and its 8 planets makes the solar system. Here are the name of 8 planets in the some orders as their distance from the sun. First, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So students, learn this lesson with carefully and take care class.